Multiple choice test after the hurricane. Question 1. Houston's 2015 flood was so large, meteorologists predicted it could only happen once every 500 years. In 2016, a second 500-year flood hit my city. In 2017, Hurricane Harvey was so large, meteorologists predicted it could only happen once every 1,000 years. What does 20 centuries of grief look like? A. Grandmother's home, a wooden skeleton. Each plank the plea of a drowning man, oak piano, ceramic chickens, the wedding photos, all of it drenched in shit and salt-crusted, buried under dead possums. B. Your father, 48, crying in his mom's arms. What we do not hold, the ocean takes. It is hard to place water. There is water in the body. There is a body of water. There are bodies in the water. C, 34 trillion gallons. D, 20 centuries is a grief beyond religion. The earth is gone after 40 days, and then what? This water floods planets. It floods heaven. The ocean knows no God. Question 2. If we close our eyes, the rain will also sound like A, fire. B, our homes cracked open. C, our bodies husked like crawfish. D, rain. Just rain. It's just rain. It won't stop. Question 3. When the mother asked, "Have you seen my son?" what is the correct response? A, only in pictures. On the wall at CVS, the news is missing persons list here, creased inside your hand. B, maybe beneath water. C, you think she's referring to sky? No, ma'am. Our son has left us. Even that was drowned. We have only the moon pulling ocean over our head. D, I'm so sorry. Question 4. When the politicians offer only prayers, you will tell them A, it is dangerous to pray in the midst of spirits. We are warned not to drink the water, for the way the dead will pull your stomach and speak using your vessel. Your amens taste like a mouth of venom. B, who is your God? What's his tax bracket? What's his party? Is he white? Is your God insured? Did you make tithes? Did you make a sacrifice? Did you make a tax cut? Was our blood enough? C, actually, I know your God. God of coal, God of oil, God of fracking, God of overdevelopment, massive hurricanes 3 times more likely, God of Trinity, God of Noah, God of melting. Take your God back. We ask for no blessings. We give no thanks. We taste the blood of salt and spit. D, I have seen the way you bend, plate, and see. When the Gulf of Mexico is 10 degrees warmer, was it not by your hand? Did you not co-sign this land to 185 oil and gas companies? Where we once had soil to hold us, there is only concrete. Hurricane intensity has risen 15%. What is 15% of a prayer? Answers. We are people made of more answers than problems. Our answers inundate sea, our renewable wind, river, yes, still breathing. There are answers in my Nana's cooking. When we had to evacuate and every road was closed, we found a way out. Our answers float. They say love. There are answers in my people, my clutch city, my H-town till I drown. My H-town has drowned. And I wonder why that is not answer enough.